All right, number 1. Tom has a scale model of his car. The scale factor is 1 to 12. So this is a scale drawing and this is the actual figure. If the actual car has 18-inch wheels, what size are the wheels of the scale model? So your proportion is going to be 1 over 12 is equal to, this represents the real object. So actual car is 18, so this is going to be your setup. To solve it, you can cross multiply. So 12x is equal to 18. 12 times x, 1 times 18. Dividing both sides by 12. X is equal to, and if you do 18 divided by 12, you get 1 and 5/10. And it's inches. The answer is B. Number 2, an architect created the scale drawing below showing a wall of a child's playhouse. If the scale of the drawing is 1 inch represents 8 feet, what is the actual width of the playhouse? Now this one is confusing because it gives you the width as well as the height, okay, or the length. Okay, but this information is not necessary because it's only asking for the width. So you're setting up your proportion like this. You have 1 inch over 8 feet. Set it equal to, now 3 inches on top, and then you're looking for x. Okay, to solve it, you're going to find cross products. So 1 times x is 1x equals 8 times 3 is 24. So dividing both sides by 1, you get x is 24 feet. So the answer is D. Number 3, on a scale drawing, the scale is ½ inch is equal to 1 foot. What are the dimensions of the scale drawing for a room that is 24 feet by 15 feet? So this is the length and this is the width. Okay, so for a problem like this, you must find the length using a proportion, and you also must find the width using the proportion, okay, separately. Okay, so instead of 1/2, I'm going to use 5/10. So 5/10 inch over 1 foot is equal to, first I'm going to find the length. So it's 24 feet, so feet goes on the bottom, and I'm looking for x. So when you use cross products, so 1 foot times x is 1x is equal to 24 times 5/10. Just make sure it's 12. Okay, dividing both sides by 1, x is equal to 12 inches. That's the dimension of the drawing. So here I found the length. Okay. Now I'm going to look for the width using that same strategy. So 5/10 inches over 1 foot equals x over, and then the other dimension is 15 feet. And again, using cross products. So 1x is equal to 15 times 5/10 is 7 and 5/10. Dividing both sides by 1. So you get x is 7 and 5/10 inches. And that is the width. So the dimension is, the real object, the real room is 24 feet by 15 feet. In the scale drawing, the dimensions are 12 inches by 7.5 or 7 and 5/10 inches. So, or vice versa. So it is right here. Okay. All right, number 4. On a map, the scale is 1 inch is 175 miles. What is the actual distance between two cities if the map distance is 4 inches? This is an easy proportion. 1 inch over 175 miles is equal to 4 inches on top and then x miles on the bottom. You can use cross products or you can use multiplication relationships. So you can solve it using cross products, but you can also do 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So 175 times 4, and that is 700. So you can say that the answer is 700 miles. Number 5. What is the scale factor of a drawing if the scale is 1 inch is equal to 9 feet? Remember, scale factor is always scale drawing over the real or the original drawing. Okay, so we can tell that 1 inch is the scale drawing and 9 feet is probably the real object. So 1/9. So the scale factor is 1/9. Okay.